Hey, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We're going to do a quick video tutorial on the televisions in the living room at the downtown lakefront retreat home. And what we're doing is just a quick video tutorial that's going to show you how to operate what we have here. We have a DVD player, the cable one. And then to be able to actually transition between the DVD player and the cable one, all you're going to do is do the source. And you have to push it multiple times. So AV is set for the DVD player. If you have a telephone, smartphone, you can screen mirror or iPad. HDMI 1 is the cable. And same thing here, if you need a transition between your stations, just hit the channel button. And that would be it. So if you've got any questions related to the operation of the TV here, that'd be 208-634-0030.